Unlock the power of instant connection and dynamic collaboration with Gemini Live. Gemini Live is your cutting-edge platform for creating truly engaging real-time experiences. From captivating live streams to interactive presentations and seamless collaborative sessions. Let's dive into how you can harness Gemini Live's incredible functionalities first. We'll focus on setup. Getting started is straightforward. Upon logging in, you'll be guided through a quick profile setup. Customize your display name and avatar to make your presence known. Next, initiate your session. Simply click Create New Session. From your dashboard, you can then choose the specific mode that suits your needs, whether it's a public live stream or a private interactive presentation. In presentation mode, you can effortlessly share your screen, spotlight speakers for emphasis, and actively engage your audience through integrated Q&A features. Gemini Live shines with its real-time chat. Allowing for instant feedback and discussion, you can also deploy dynamic polls to gauge audience sentiment or gather quick opinions. For collaborative sessions, imagine multiple users working together on a single digital canvas, brainstorming ideas, or jointly editing documents. Circumflex euros, all in perfect sync. To ensure a seamless experience for everyone, Gemini Live provides optimization tools, monitor your stream's health and participant engagement in real time. Fine-tune your audio and video settings for crystal clear communication, ensuring your message is delivered without interruption. With Gemini Live, you're not just broadcasting. You're building connections and fostering real-time engagement that truly matters. Sign up today and transform how you communicate.